Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites and then act immediately. Install Visual Studio for Mac and sign in with your Microsoft ID. Once signed in, choose the correct workload. Net, Xamarin, or ASP. Net, so tooling, SDK, and templates are preselected. Create a new solution, pick the template that matches your app type, and set a clear project name and location. Make sure to enable automatic updates. This prevents version mismatches later. Now that the project skeleton is created, you're ready to move to coding and configuration. Once the solution exists, configure the project, set target framework and runtime, then restore and add NuGet packages required by your app. Next, configure debug settings and create launch profiles for simulator or real device. This ensures predictable runs. Implement core features with short, testable commits, then build frequently to catch errors early. Use live unit testing and the built-in debugger to step through logic. Fix compile warnings first because they often indicate fragile assumptions. After a successful local run, you finish by running integration tests and deploying to a simulator, device, or staging environment. Make sure to use the correct launch profile. Once running, monitor application output and device logs and reproduce failures with breakpoints to inspect state. When publishing, verify configuration transforms and certificates where required. If something goes wrong, like builds failing or the IDE hanging, clear component caches, perform a clean rebuild. Reinstall the specific workload and confirm SDK versions match your project. This single-tracked approach gets you from edit to release reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.